If you own a Toyota from 2018 to 2021, this video could save you hundreds of dollars. Before we dive into this issue affecting millions of Toyota vehicles, make sure to watch through the end of the video to learn how much it cost for the fix. Let's break down everything you need to know about Toyota's Customer Support Program 24TE04. This issue, documented under NHTSA ID 1101270, is addressed by Toyota's Customer Support Program 24TE04. It's important to note this is not a recall, but a warranty extension for a specific failure. It primarily affects popular hybrid models like the RAV4, Highlander, and Sienna, where a single component is causing concern. The problem centers around the flow shutoff valve, also known as the coolant bypass valve. This is a key part of the exhaust heat recovery system. Its function is to control coolant flow using exhaust heat to help the engine warm up faster. This design improves fuel economy and reduces emissions. The valve's plastic housing, however, is under constant thermal stress. After thousands of heating and cooling cycles, this can cause microcracks or seal degradation, leading to a coolant leak. Because of its location, the corrosive fluid often drips onto sensitive wiring harnesses and electrical connectors below. Early warning signs include a sweet coolant smell, visible pink residue under the hood, or small puddles under the car. As the leak worsens, it can trigger dashboard warnings like engine maintenance required. If ignored, this can lead to significant coolant loss, engine overheating, and potentially catastrophic expensive damage. Under this warranty extension, Toyota will cover the repair if your vehicle is diagnosed with this specific failure. If you notice any of these symptoms, contact your Toyota dealership promptly. Be sure to reference Customer Support Program 24TE04 to ensure your vehicle is inspected and repaired correctly, preventing more serious issues. The affected models include Avalon and Avalon Hybrid from 2019 to 2021, Camry and Camry Hybrid from 2018 to 2021, Corolla from 2020 to 2021, and Corolla Hatchback from 2019 to 2021, Highlander Hybrid from 2020 to 2021, and RAV4 from 2019 to 2021, RAV4 Hybrid from 2019 to 2021, and RAV4 Prime from 2021, and finally Sienna Hybrid and Venza, both from 2021. The main symptom you'll notice is an engine maintenance required message on your dashboard. You may also experience your air conditioning system acting abnormally. Diagnostic scans will typically show error codes P268111 or P268115. There's also a separate Technical Service Bulletin, TSB 011224, that provides diagnostic guidance for dealers. The issue centers on the engine's flow shutoff valve, a key part of the cooling system that helps the engine warm up efficiently. The original valve's plastic housing is prone to developing hairline cracks from constant heat cycles. This defect leads to a coolant leak, which starts small but can escalate into a major problem. You can spot the early warning signs. Look for puddles of pinkish-red coolant under your car, or you might smell a sweet syrupy odor after driving. A low coolant warning light or visible pink, crusty residue around the valve are also clear indicators. Don't ignore these symptoms. Even a minor leak compromises the cooling system. If it worsens, it can cause the engine to overheat, risking catastrophic damage like a warped cylinder head, repairs that cost thousands. Prompt action is crucial to prevent severe engine damage. The fix is straightforward. Your dealer will first perform a pressure test to confirm the valve is the source of the leak. Then, they will replace the flow shutoff valve with an updated part. The replacement uses an improved design that eliminates the coolant leak issue. Toyota re-engineered the component with more robust materials to better withstand thermal stress, providing a permanent solution and ensuring long-term reliability. Toyota's primary coverage for this extends until November 30, 2025, with unlimited mileage. After that, secondary coverage continues for 10 years from first use or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. When the CSP criteria are met, dealers perform this repair at no charge to the customer, covering all parts and labor. Multiple forum threads and owner reports confirm successful free repairs under this program, so if you suspect an issue, contact your dealer and mention the Customer Support Program to get it inspected. Before this Customer Support Program, owners reported quotes of $600 to $1,000 to replace this valve. This cost wasn't just for the part, but the complex labor to diagnose the leak and access the component, often tucked away in a tight spot. It was a frustrating and unexpected expense for many drivers. The valve's job is to control hot coolant for your cabin heater, but the original part is prone to cracking, leading to dangerous leaks. A small leak can cause your engine to overheat, risking catastrophic damage like a warped cylinder head, a repair that costs thousands. Recognizing this widespread issue, Toyota has stepped up. Now, thanks to CSP24TE04, this repair is completely free when covered under the program, saving you from a much bigger headache down the road. If you're experiencing symptoms like a sweet coolant smell or a consistently low coolant level, contact your Toyota dealer. Be specific. Tell them you suspect a leak from the engine coolant flow shutoff valve and reference customer support program 24TE04. They will perform a diagnostic to confirm the issue. If the valve is the culprit, the replacement is handled free of charge. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe for more car tips, and comment with your Toyota experiences below. Your feedback helps other owners, so please share.